Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Derek Austin's Level Up Travel. This is what I got in the mail today. Put my business card over to cover up those address. I'd rather not have that be public. But anyway, we'll get into this in just 1 second. Because you know I love to talk about points, miles, rewards, credit cards in general. Love to talk about cash back, also the programs like the hotel programs, the airline programs. Love to talk about the credit card programs like membership rewards from American Express, like Chase Ultimate Rewards, like Citibank Thank You Points, and like Capital One Miles. I love to talk about travel in general. Well, today we're going to talk about the VentureX. It's the unboxing or unenveloping of the VentureX. So this is a one-taker, you know. I'm gonna do it right now, and since I have no production value at all, it's a one-take. You know, it's one take around here. So let's see what's going on. So I'm gonna be a little bit more careful when I'm looking at stuff. So yeah, that has my address in front. But actually, anyway, it's just a regular. Just tacking on that business card over here now. Just a regular envelope, okay? From Omaha, Nebraska. Nothing special. Yeah, it's kind of a weak presentation by Capital One on their premium credit card, comparing to like the boxes you get for like my US Bank Altitude Reserve, or when I first got my American Express Platinum card. Awesome presentation. The box was cool, the holder of the card was cool for the American Express Platinum. Was awesome. I don't have the CSR, but I'm sure that one's pretty cool too. But this one, it's just kind of pretty standard, really. So, whoop, okay, cool. I didn't expect both cards to come in, but I put my wife down as a authorized user. So, yeah, this is how it comes out. Boom. VentureX, nice sleek looking card, metal. Beautiful card. I actually like it more simple like this. So that's really cool. See what else is in here. All right, we got, I don't know, this is credit facts and stuff like that. Rewards program, okay, that could be cool to read. I'm not gonna read it to you guys, but it could be kind of nice. Yeah, it just goes over how to redeem and stuff like that. Customer agreement. Okay, this part's pretty cool. The first card, I mean, they should put the card in here, right? So, all right, it's good. This is a good quality piece of marketing material. Goes over a lot of the benefits. Hey, look, 10x in the travel portal if you're booking hotels and rental cars, 5x if you're booking airfare through the travel portal, 2x on miles and everything else. Hey, that 5x is really, really good. I like that part. I don't like as much the hotel unless I'm doing a boutique hotel, because I have good status with a lot of the airline. I mean, a lot of the hotel programs like Marriott. I have top tier there with the titanium, and I have Hilton Diamond status. So I want to book it with that card through their own website. But the 5x, man, the airlines always accept it and put it towards status. You gain miles if you're booking it there. So that, when I actually do pay for a flight, because usually I'm using miles to pay for a flight, but yeah, so TSA pre-check, cool. I don't know, who's this? Flexible miles redemption. It is a flexible miles redemption. You should be redeeming with all the transfer partners. That's just the flexible part to me. But sometimes, yeah, to use that the credit, the purchase eraser could be valid in some situations, especially if you're like, hey, man, I need the money. Or sometimes people just, for me, when I did the regular Venture card earlier this year, even though they had the transfer partners now getting better and all that, I still redeemed half of it, $500 for cash, just because that was my plan in the start, you know. I wanted to just get cash for it. So, but I ended up redeeming the other 50,000 points for a business class flight to Europe. But anyway, now I have this card. So this is great. So this is just, I guess, more your guide to your benefits. So a big guide to your benefits. You know, I really think it's I would say whack presentation of by Capital One. really not much to it. That envelope that they didn't even put the card in was probably the best part of it. But you know something? This is kind of like the no frills credit card. So yeah, it was my wife's card and my card. They are slightly different numbers, which is cool. I like that they're different numbers so you know who charged what. But yeah, you know, they have a 0 annual fee or a negative annual fee. They don't even, you know, if you use the credits even correct, you know, if you use credits correctly every year. They have a $300 credit plus 10,000 Capital One miles, which could be used on Purchase Eraser or the travel portal for $100, right? Of course, me, I'm probably going to be redeeming that for, put it towards a business class flight. But anyway, they're covering your annual fee every single year. So, you know, if they're gonna do that and make this card so great and so affordable with so many easy credits to use like they have, you know, and the benefits they have on this card, a Visa Infinite card for effective annual fee of -5. Yeah, all right. I don't want the box. Give me what they're doing right now. Give me the benefits. Give me those Capital One lounges they're building. Give me that priority pass for myself and the additional authorized user, up to 4, right? Give me that. Give me all those benefits over that you know, amazing unboxing, right? I'd rather just have this beautiful, you know, nice metal card, which is cool. Very plain, but nice, clean, sleek, you know? This is what I like in a rewards card, you know? And the work they did this year on getting those transfer partners to one-to-one, the transfer partners they do have love Life Miles, all right? I love Aeroplan. I love British Airlines miles. I love the Skywards miles from Emirates. Man, that is, I think that's gonna be the thing I'm gonna be saving up for next is Emirates flight, maybe a business class or even first class, business class or first class Emirates flight to like, you know, Athens or Milan or Dubai itself, where Emirates is based out of. Man, I think that's what I want to do. But anyway, who knows when it actually comes down to it. So, man, I'm so pumped for this card. Great sign-up bonus, 100,000 right away. That $300 credit could be really easily be used on a on their travel portal. I'm probably going to be using it to connect myself from Salt Lake City to JFK, so that I could take that flight across, the flight I have booked across the Atlantic in business class through my points and miles. But I need to relocate over to, or reposition over to JFK in the summer. So I'm probably going to use it for that. That would be, I think, a really good use. Or I could use it, of course, for a boutique hotel when I'm in Europe. That would be also a good use of it. But I think it's so easy to use. So, hey guys, that's the unenveloping video of the VentureX. Again, you know, it's kind of a, you know, lackluster presentation by Capital One. But hey, if they're gonna give me the benefits they are with this card on an effective annual fee of -0, bring it on, bring it on. I wish the other cards would do the exact same thing. That's my style, okay? And yeah, I'm pumped up for, you know, that priority pass that gets me to restaurant lounges in not just the United States, but throughout the world. I'm pumped up for the Capital One lounges coming out. They already got one. There's 2 more coming, already set, and I don't think they're stopping here. This is gonna be, Capital One is gonna be a big player. A lot of you people that are Chase people that are thinking about, hey, eventually I'm gonna get to American Express. You know, you should be thinking also about Capital One. Those American Express people that are thinking, hey, eventually I'm gonna get over to Chase, should be thinking about Capital One, because they're putting out something, and they keep on improving their product, okay? That's where you wanna be on. The good thing is you can get on board whenever you want. You know, this is not something you have to like apply for now. You can wait for everybody to test it out, have videos on it like this, hear about it, how you can get so much value out of the card, but you know, it's a pretty fantastic card. So I definitely recommend it. Everybody, please give me a thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to the channel. You know, we're a little over 200, like 211 people right now. Last time I checked. Keep on pushing it. Would love to get to 300 by the end of the month or the end of next month. I think it's really obtainable by the way things are rolling right now, okay? I gotta keep on putting out great content like this though, right? Also hit the bell notification, so next time I come with a great video like this, you'll be the first to know. And hey guys, have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.